In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your projects in Canva. We'll explore how to save, create folders, and manage your files like a pro, ensuring that all your creative work is always easy to find and neatly arranged. Let's jump right in by heading over to Canva. Once you're logged into your account and you're on the dashboard, you'll need to prepare the file that you're currently working on. Make sure everything in your design is just the way you want it. This could be anything from a presentation, an infographic, or even a social media post. Once you're satisfied that your project is complete, your next thought should be how to neatly store it. The first step in this process is saving your project. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll see an option labeled File. Click on it. Among the drop-down options, you'll spot one that says Save Project. Go ahead and click it to ensure all your hard work is saved securely in Canva. A crucial step to ensuring that your project doesn't get lost is to organize it by utilizing Canva's folder feature. Your next move will be to click on Move to a Folder. This option allows you to store your files efficiently. You have a couple of choices here. You can either create a new folder specifically for this project, or if you've already got an existing folder that fits the theme or category, you can seamlessly add it there. Let's say for this specific tutorial, we opt for a fresh start and decide to create a new folder. As you click on Create New, a window will pop up prompting you to type in the name of your new folder. Make sure it's something that's easy to remember and reflects the content in a way that will be clear to you in the future. Once you've settled on a name and typed it in, go ahead and click Move to New Folder. This will quickly save your project into the newly created folder. Now, if you transition back to your home page, you'll be able to spot the folder option on the left-hand side. Click on it, and there you'll see your new folder listed among any others you might have. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep tabs on all your creative projects, preventing you from getting lost in a sea of unsorted files. The ability to organize your projects by creating and managing folders under this feature will not only save you time, but also space. You can easily find projects at a glance, minimizing the hassle of searching each time you need to make updates or share them with others. Keeping your Canva workspace organized is fundamental, and with these steps, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a streamlined creative process.